Hello, learners. Welcome to today's session. Our today's topic is Concept of E-Inclusion and Assistive Technology in E-Learning. Please watch the full video carefully and write down the important points. This will help you understand the topic better. At the end, you will find some multiple choice questions to check and strengthen your learning. Let's begin and learn together. Let us first try to understand. Concept of e-inclusion. E-inclusion refers to the process of ensuring equitable access to digital technologies and e-learning platforms for all learners, including those with diverse needs, disabilities, or socioeconomic disadvantages. It emphasizes removing digital barriers and creating an inclusive virtual learning environment where every student can participate meaningfully. Key features of e-inclusion. Equal access to digital content and tools regardless of physical, cognitive, or socioeconomic limitations. Design of content that is adaptive, user-friendly, and accessible. Universal Design for Learning, UDL, principles applied in digital education. Focus on diversity, equity, and inclusion in e-learning environments. Importance of e-inclusion. Promotes educational equity. Ensures that learners with disabilities are not excluded from digital learning. Supports the right to education for all in line with national policies and global frameworks like NEP 2020, UNCUPT, and SDG 4, Quality Education. Now let us understand application of assistive technology in e-learning. Assistive technology, AT, refers to any tool, device, software, or equipment that enhances the functional capabilities of individuals with disabilities, especially in digital learning contexts. It enables learners to access, engage with, and benefit from e-learning platforms and digital content. E-inclusion and assistive technology are essential pillars of a just, inclusive, and effective digital education system. In the 21st century learning landscape, where e-learning is becoming mainstream, it is the responsibility of educators to ensure that no learner is left behind due to disability or disadvantage. Types of assistive technologies in e-learning. Assistive technology. Purpose. Example. Screen readers. Convert on-screen text into speech or braille. JAWS, NVDA. Speech-to-text software. Converts spoken words into written text. Dragon Naturally Speaking, Google Voice Typing. Text-to-speech tools. Read aloud digital text for students with visual impairments or reading difficulties. Kurzweil 3000 Natural Reader. Braille displays. Converts digital text into Braille for blind learners. Refreshable Braille displays. Magnification software. Enlarges screen content for low vision users. Zoom text. Alternative input devices. Help physically challenged students operate computers. Adaptive keyboards, eye tracking devices. Captions and subtitles. Aid hearing impaired students in understanding video content. YouTube auto captions, Amara. Closed captions and sign language videos. Add layers of accessibility to video content. Emojis with embedded accessibility. Applications in e-learning platforms. Learning management systems, LMS, like Moodle, Blackboard, and Google Classroom support accessibility plugins. Massive open online courses, MOOCs, example Swayam, Coursera, edX, provide subtitles, transcripts, and screen reader compatibility. Interactive whiteboards and virtual simulations offer accessible experiences with alternative input options. Benefits of integrating assistive technology in inclusive education. Promotes independent learning and self-paced study. Encourages inclusive classroom practices even in online settings. Reduces the achievement gap between students with and without disabilities. Enhances digital confidence and participation among all learners. Role of teachers in promoting inclusion. Design and select accessible digital content. Undergo professional development in assistive tools and inclusive pedagogy. Encourage collaborative and differentiated e-learning strategies. Advocate for inclusive policies at the institutional and systemic level. Dear viewers, let's solve some important multiple choice questions based on the presentation. 1. Which principle promotes designing learning for everyone, including those with disabilities? A. Blended learning. B. Universal design for learning, UDL. C. Conventional pedagogy. D. Flipped learning. Answer B. 2. Which tool is used to convert digital text into speech for visually impaired learners? A. Google Docs. B. Excel. C. Text-to-speech software. D. PowerPoint. Answer C. 3. JAWS and NVDA are examples of A. Image editors. B. Screen readers. C. Web browsers. D. Gaming software. Answer B. Explanation. These are screen readers used by visually impaired learners. 4. Which of the following is used to convert speech into written text? A. Speech-to-text software. B. Textbooks. C. Braille printer. D. Webcam. Answer A. Explanation. Speech-to-text software helps convert spoken words into text format. 5. The major benefit of assistive technology in e-learning is A. Promoting competition. B. Enhancing uniform teaching styles. C. Enabling inclusive and independent learning. D. Reducing the use of technology. Answer C. Explanation. Assistive tech ensures inclusivity and supports self-learning. 6. Which is an example of a refreshable braille device? A. Keyboard. B. Screen magnifier. C. Braille display. D. Microphone. Answer C. Explanation. Braille displays convert text into Braille for visually impaired users. 7. Which platform is an Indian MOOC initiative providing inclusive education content? A. Swayam. B. Zoom. C. YouTube. D. Facebook. Answer A. 8. Which tool magnifies screen content for low vision users? A. Grammarly. B. ZoomText. C. Photoshop. D. VLC Media Player. Answer B. 9. Sign language and captions in videos support which type of learners the most? A. Auditory learners. B. Kinesthetic learners. C. Hearing impaired learners. D. Visual learners. Answer C. 10. One challenge in implementing inclusion is A. Too many teachers. B. Abundance of resources. C. Lack of awareness and training. D. Excessive student interest. Answer C. 11. Which of the following supports eye tracking for learners with mobility issues? A. Regular mouse. B. Adaptive keyboards. C. Eye tracking input devices. D. Headphones. Answer C. 12. What role do teachers play in promoting e-inclusion? A. Designing inaccessible content. B. Discouraging use of digital tools. C. Advocating inclusive policies and content design. D. Ignoring learners with special needs. Answer C. Thank you, don't miss out. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, for insightful content and valuable resources.